Hi, friends! Welcome to Toon Hugs, the happiest place for fun, learning, and lots of laughter. Let's jump into today's adventure.
Deep inside the green-leaf jungle lived a mighty tiger named Bhura. Bhura was strong, confident, and feared by every creature in the forest. He had sharp claws, bright yellow eyes, and a roar so loud that even the mountains echoed back. One thing he believed strongly was big animals are powerful. Small animals are useless. Because of this, he never respected or noticed the tiny creatures of the jungle. But that was about to change. Not far from Bhura's cave lived a tiny mouse named Chiku. Chiku was small, but he was quick, clever, and full of courage. He loved exploring the forest, collecting nuts, and helping other animals. One afternoon, Chiku accidentally ran over Bhura's tail. The tiger jumped with anger. "Who did that?" Chiku froze in fear. I'm sorry, Bhura. It was a mistake." Bhura lifted him with one giant paw and growled, "Why shouldn't I eat you right now?" Chiku trembled but still said politely, "Because maybe one day I can help you." Bhura burst into laughter. "You, a little mouse, help me? Impossible." He found it so funny that he let Chiku go. "Run away, little mouse. You're too tiny to be my lunch today." Chiku squeaked, "Thank you," and ran off. A few days later, Bhura went hunting. While chasing a deer, he didn't notice a large trap set by poachers. Suddenly, thud! A huge rope net fell from above and wrapped around him tightly. Bhura roared with all his strength. "Roar! Somebody help me!" He pulled and fought against the net, but the more he moved, the tighter it became. For the first time, the mighty tiger felt weak. No animal dared to go near him. Everyone hid in fear. Hours passed. The sun began to set. The jungle grew quiet. Bhura whispered softly, "Is anyone there?" Chiku, who was collecting berries nearby, heard a faint roar. "That sounds like Bhura," he said, worried. He rushed to the spot and saw the tiger trapped and exhausted. Without thinking twice, he ran towards him. Bhura opened his eyes weakly. "You! What are you doing here? Go away! You can't help me!" Chiku shook his head. "No, Bhura! A promise is a promise. You spared my life. Now it's my turn." He scurried around the net and began nibbling the thick ropes with his sharp little teeth. Bhura watched in disbelief. The tiny mouse worked without stopping, biting, cutting, pulling, rope after rope. Slowly, the net loosened, and finally, snap! The last rope broke. Bhura stood up, free at last. The tiger looked at the mouse with deep respect. "You saved my life," Bhura said softly. "But you're so small. How did you do it?" Chiku smiled proudly. "Size doesn't matter, Bhura. Heart does." For the first time, Bhura lowered his head in gratitude. "Thank you, little friend. I was wrong. Small creatures can do great things too." Chiku nodded. "And big creatures can be kind too." From that day on, Bhura and Chiku became the most unusual pair of friends in the jungle. Bhura protected Chiku from snakes and eagles. Chiku helped Bhura find food and warning him of danger with his sharp senses. They proved to everyone that friendship does not depend on size, strength, or shape. It depends on trust and kindness. Moral of the story: never underestimate anyone because of their size. Even the smallest friend can make the biggest difference.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toon Hugs for more fun and moral stories for kids.